Getting the most out of your truck requires getting under the hood. Whether it's routine checks or unforeseen maintenance, drivers and fleet managers need easy access to their truck's most important components. We devoted time to figuring out a lift assist that improves the safety and ease of use when lowering and raising a truck guard. Our engineers are obsessed with design solutions that eliminate extra components, allowing features to excel in their simplest form. What seems like a simple feature took years of development and testing. Our engineers process countless blends of metals to find the strength, flexibility, and positioning needed to reduce overall lift weight by up to 70%. Our Lift Assist is compatible across all truck guards and comes standard on the Aero Plus. And each one stands as a testament to our commitment to the driver's experience. With unique designs available for any truck on the road, we balance function and convenience, all with an eye to keeping drivers out on the road. It's just another way that Hurd is driving results.